and the Mac already it's just cooking it, like it just lapped it basically. Alright yo, welcome back to another tech video, and today is gonna be a really interesting one. And I was kind of curious myself because we're gonna be putting my $2,000 gaming PC that you can see to the test against my 14-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro that's currently on the table right now. So yeah, stick around to the end of this video and this is gonna be interesting. So this is the first contestant, which is the $2,000 gaming PC that I built back in the summer of 2021. It has an Intel i5 11400 combined with the RTX 1360, which is the 12GB version from MSI. You know, it's quite a big body. Not trying to get too much into the specs, but other than that, it just have a 16GB of RAM and 1TB of solid state drive as the storage. I was honestly really proud of myself when I finished building this myself. Like, I built this my own, like I had to screw around with school, like put the CPU, every stuff on the motherboard, like everything, the parts that I chose was chosen by me, like, and built by me. And I was only like, what, 12, 13 back then, which, you know, it was a pretty good accomplishment for me. And yeah, not only that, I also bought it with my own money, like from doing random jobs. So like no daddy's money, these are all money that I owned myself. Honestly, some or if not only time I use this machine is to play video games, or yeah, that's basically it. Alright yo, watch this, you hear me? Woohoo! Let's go! I remember there was a time when I just wanted to sell this PC on Facebook Marketplace because like I just don't need it. So 100 likes and I'll give away this PC to you guys. It's been my daily driver for almost about 2 years until I bought this MacBook in the summer of this year. Okay, in terms of the second contestant, classic Apple laptops, not too much to introduce. M1 Pro chip inside with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, I know that you're probably wondering, why do I need another $2,000 laptop if I already have a $2,000 gaming PC? First of all, it's all about the portability for me. Like, as I progress as a creator, I'd much rather to have a more portable device rather than just like stuck downstairs in the basement in the studio, you know what I'm saying? So for example, at my last internship, when I have to travel 2 hours like each way to Toronto, I would much rather to carry a laptop and do the work there. And that was also the time when I bought this laptop because I had to go there like every other day. And if you want to see a video about it, you can check a link over there. You know, I'll leave a link over here. Go check it out. Also just doing like normal school stuff, you know, Google Docs, Google Slides, you know, normal human being as a student. And besides all that, it's just photo, video editing. You know, as a creator, no one will hate on a MacBook if you're doing creative stuff. Everyone loves to use it. The powerhouse, you know, that's when the M power really comes in. All right, with all that out of the way, let's actually put these two devices on the test. Alright, so this is what we all came here for. This is the MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M1 chip, M1 Pro chip, and this is the $2,000 gaming PC lined up over here, and we'll be putting them on the same 4K video export setting on a 13-minute YouTube video. And if you haven't checked that video out yet, go check it out over here. So now let me just add it to the render queue at higher resolution. Alright, just for your scientific purposes, I'm gonna pop out a clock real quick. I'm honestly kind of curious myself because this is the same price, like basically the same price. They're all around the 2,000-ish, but this is like a whole thing debate between Mac or Windows. So I'm kind of nervous, but with that out of the way, I think I'm gonna just go start it, man. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Start the timer. Yeah. Now let them cook. Let's see. Yo, this is kind of getting intense. You can hear the PC fan, like, not sure if you all can hear it, but like the fan is like speeding up like both the cooling and the CPU. Alright yo, while this is rendering, like I would just let it cook, like let the kitchen be hot. But yeah, I just wanted to take this time and thank our sponsor. No, just kidding. This video is not sponsored. Everything I bought on my own, and that's what I really want to say is that people be asking me how I'm able to afford all of these stuff at like only 14 years old. So I just want to take this time to answer that really quickly. So to be honest, when I first started, I did not have everything that I have right now. I just started with a camera and a basic computer. These stuff I all just like bought on the way, like doing random jobs, saving up, like doing newspaper delivery, flyers, shoveling snow, like all those stuff. Each step by each step, I eventually reached my goal, and then I just bought myself a camera. And after that, I just started seeking job opportunities, and I started shooting like events videos for different companies. And trust me, these gear are hella expensive, but what I always tell people is that I look at them as investments instead of like expenses, because I know that with the work that I do with them, eventually it's gonna pay themselves off and earn more money like compared to the prices that I bought. Honestly, if you ask me any tips, I would just say if you're not where you are at the moment, then just enjoy the moment, enjoy the journey, and just each step by each step you'll reach where your goal is. And yeah, I think the MacBook is really cooking the Windows right now. I'm not sure if you can see. The MacBook is almost done, but the Windows is not like a quarter there yet. Damn, it's getting intense, bro. The MacBook is suddenly getting a little bit heat at the bottom here. You can feel a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad compared to using other stuff, like watching videos, whatever. And let's see about the PC. The top fan doesn't feel that bad, but like in the rear, because like it's near to the CPU, it's actually, I don't know, it's the same temperature. But yeah, let them cook. The stove is hot, you know, let it keep going. Okay, the MacBook just finished. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Like, the Mac just finished. What? And how far is the PC? Not even halfway. The Mac already finished. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Alright, yo, the Windows is saying it still needs like around 10 minutes to finish the export. This is actually crazy because like they're both at the same like price point, but I guess MacBooks are just better. Like, what can I say? Alright, yo, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this sort of tech versus tech video, and I'll probably do some more in the future. And yeah, the Windows is still rendering, and I'm gonna lift off, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. The Windows eventually finished at 18 minutes and 25 seconds. Like, are you kidding me? Like, that's like, what, 3 times the power of the MacBook. Like, what?